Hi students, I am Lokesh Gupta, chemistry faculty. Today I am going to explain the solutions for senior IIT CO Super China JEE Advanced Revision Part Test 2 question paper. Let me explain one by one. First come to the section 1 19th question. Hyperconjugation of tertiary butyl cation and 2-butene are respectively are due to hyperconjugation of tertiary butyl cation and 2-butene are due to. See, hyperconjugation two types are there. Positive hyperconjugation, negative hyperconjugation. Positive hyperconjugation, negative hyperconjugation. In case of positive hyperconjugation, sigma electrons of generally sp3ch bond. Sigma electrons of sp3ch bond will be delocalized with the adjacent empty p orbital or adjacent empty pi star orbital. Of course, these sigma electrons may be delocalized with the empty p orbitals or empty pi star orbital which are not adjacent but which are in conjugation. Now if you take tertiary butyl carbocation, CH3 taken twice C plus. Now this is the CH bond sigma completely filled orbital. Next it is the empty 2p orbital of C plus. Now these two will overlap. So sigma electrons are delocalized with the empty 2p orbitals in case of carbocations, tertiary butyl carbocation. Next, now if you take the 2-butene alkenes, in this case it is CH3 single bond C double bond C CH3. Now it is the empty pi star orbital C, while formation of the bonding molecular orbital, lobes of same sign will be overlapped. But in case of formation of anti-bonding molecular orbitals, lobes of opposite sign will be overlapped and it is lateral overlapping. So it is pi star orbital and it is empty. Next, it is the completely filled sigma molecular orbital of CH bond. Now, these electrons are delocalized with this. So here in this alkenes, which type of delocalization takes place? Sigma empty pi star delocalization takes place in alkenes. Sigma pi star. So what will be the answer? In tertiary butyl carbocation, sigma NTP delocalization. In alkenes, sigma pi star. See, what about these options? See, in case of negative hyperconjugation, it is reversed to the positive hyperconjugation. Now, in this case, electrons from the filled p orbital or pi orbital, electrons from the filled p orbital or pi orbital are delocalized to sigma star, empty sigma star. It is quite opposite to the delocalization direction in the positive hyperconjugation. So in this case, completely filled pi electrons delocalized to sigma star, negative hyperconjugation. Next, in this case, non-bonding electrons at heteroatom nitrogen, these are delocalized to the empty sigma star of the adjacent CH bond. So, from the filled p orbital to sigma star empty, it is the case in case of negative hyperconjugation. So now our option is A. Next, come to the 28th question. Which of the following has lowest rotational energy barrier for C double bond C. Lowest rotational energy barrier. See, at C double bond C, if double bond present, rotation about double bond is restricted. But due to the resonance or mesomeric effect, if this double bond gets single bond character, rotation possible. When if this double bond getting more single bond character, rotation energy barrier will decrease. With increasing the single bond character to the double bond because of resonance, with increasing the single bond character, rotational energy barrier decreases. Rotational energy barrier decreases. Now, in the option B, ethane, no resonance or mesomeric effect possible. Double bond will remain as it is. In this case, with this plus M effect, with this OCH3, because of plus M effect, resonance possible. So in one resonance structure, single bond character. Yet due to the minus M effect of NO2, in one resonance structure for this double bond, single bond character will come. But if you take this one, for this negative mesomeric effect, for this positive mesomeric effect, see, now positive mesomeric effect, pi electrons shifted like this. Now in this resonance structure, single bond character. Next, because of the negative mesomeric effect of NO2, you will get one more resonance structure. So in two resonance structures, we are getting the single bond character for this C double bond C. So among the four options, in this option for this C double bond C, single bond character is more. Why? Because in more number of resonance structures, single bond character is there. So for this single bond character more, that's why rotational energy barrier is minimum for option D. Where the maximum? Here. It is completely double bond. For this rotation energy barrier is maximum. Next, let me write the next questions. 21st question. Least stable resonance structure of nitroethene is. These are the resonance structures of nitroethene. Among these, least stable one is. It is the question. See, before going to this question, I want to explain the rules for comparing the stability of resonance or canonical forms. What are they? Resonance structure where all atoms satisfies octet rule. It is the most stable resonance structure. Next, resonance structure without any formal charges is more stable than the resonance structure with the formal charges. Next, resonance structure with more number of covalent bonds is more stable than the resonance structure with less number of covalent bonds. Next, among the resonance structures with the formal charges, negative charge at more electronegative atoms like nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, positive charge at less electronegative atom like carbon is more stable when compared with the resonance structure with quite opposite. Next, now if the similar charges are at adjacent atoms, then in between them repulsion will be there, then it will decrease the stability. Similar charges at adjacent atoms, plus at adjacent atoms, minus are lone pairs at adjacent atoms, then repulsion will be more. Energy of the molecule will be more. If energy is more, less stability. Like that. Now by verifying these points, we can compare the stability. See, in this structure, 2 pi bonds, but in the remaining structures, 1 pi bond. So in this structure, more number of covalent bonds present. So among all these, this one is more stable. Next, these are all the resonance structures with the formal charges. In all these, opposite charges are at adjacent atoms. See, but here, similar charges are at adjacent atoms, C plus, N plus. So that's why For this, more energy, least stability. So among these, this one least stable, this one is most stable. Here, one more small logic is also there. See, in nitroethene, this NO2 group exhibit negative mesomeric effect. Na? So electrons to be shifted towards the NO2 group. Electrons will be move away from the molecule. So pi electrons will be shifted like this. These are the three resonance structures. Now NO2 group. So electrons to be shifted towards NO2. But if you shift the pi electrons in quite opposite direction, definitely the resonance structure which you are going to write will be the most energetic and least stable structure. See here how you will get this one. If you shift this pi electrons like this, then for this carbon positive charge, for this carbon negative charge, it is minus M group. Electrons to be moved in this direction, but we moved in this direction. No? Then the resulted canonical form, most energetic, least stable. It is the logic. When compared with minus M plus M effect, if you move the pi electrons in quite opposite direction, then definitely you will get the least stable structure. So for this question, answer is C. Next, come to the 22nd question. Among the following, which can exhibit geometrical isomerism? See, 1,2-dimethyl cyclohexane. It's a free radical, carbocation, carbanion given. See, this free radical, here carbon sp2. So here planarity is present. C plus, here carbon sp2, planarity is present. That's why with respect to the ring, with respect to the two methyl groups, geometrical isomerism not possible. Planarity is there now. Now this carbanion carbon, sp3 only. sp3 only. So now here non-planarity is there. Now geometrical isomerism possible. If two methyl groups are below the plane or above the plane, then cis isomer. One methyl group above the plane, other methyl group below the plane, then trans isomer. So these two are planar. That's why here geometrical isomerism is not possible. Here it is sp3, non-planar. So here geometrical isomerism possible. So answer is C. So these are the solutions for section 1. Now come to the section 2.